Hi there, welcome back to my videos. We're doing more artist videos today. So the first artist is going to be Sarah Morris. We're going to do some stuff with her name and use my art book to pick out some modifiers that are appropriate for this artist, and let's see how we get on. So Sarah Morris. Now what I've done is I've looked in my art book that's got her in it. I've got most artists in it, and found words that are related to what she does, and I've created a prompt. The prompt being this. I'll just go into the advanced prompt editor so you can see it all. So, art in the style of Sarah Morris, a cityscape of the future, cultural conditions, a montage, colourful grid-like, let's just make sure that's spelt right, abstract paintings, urban life, depth of field, perspective to the horizon. Now, if I go Sarah Morris, and let's have a look at what she's all about. That's her there. So stuff like this. So yeah, lots of colour, montage type visuals, but very colourful. So let's see what we get. I'm going to go for 69. I'm going to pop that up to 80, as I always do if I want the prompt to be really relevant. New random seeds for each one, and we'll just do 9 as the prices have gone up. Even my credits don't last that long. So let's see what outcome we get. So I would say that's pretty spot on. They're almost like cityscapes, montage taste, and all of those bright colours. That's pretty much perfect to what she was doing, and that's just, the prompt was created by looking in the book and using the keywords that are under her name, which was it's a great way to do stuff. As you can see, each montage, as you could imagine that being a city. Well, you probably have to be on LSD to see a city like that, but there you are. This one, yeah, that's more like a cityscape. You can see that there. Yeah, I think they're pretty cool. That one's a bit weird. So yeah, it seems that Sarah Morris works perfectly, so it's a good one to copy. That's nice and short and sweet. But that's all I've done. I found some information on her. You could probably do it by going here, going into here and having a look, probably in her bio or something like that. Menu, biography. Well, maybe not. I guess you'd have to look. More for, maybe there's a wiki or something on her. Something like that. You probably, because that's just their website. There's a wiki there, look. Oh no, it's White Cube. Maybe get something in here. Urban, social and bureaucratic typologies. Different cities. Architectural. Psychology of a city. There you go. So that's how you would do it. Anyway, that's Sarah Morris. Looks pretty good to me. I'll make that my main one. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.